Yes, class 12. Next topic is color code of carbon resistance. What do you mean by carbon resistor? When we have to design any electric circuit, then we need any resistor to include in it. And if the costing of this device is very low, then there should be the resistor or used equipment should be low costing, and we have designed the carbon resistor at the low cost. Got it? This is looking as a it is a very small, you can see in higher classes you will use it in laboratory also, and this is important for the examination also. This topic is important. What we have a carbon resistor include in which a carbon is filled after filtering, and here two discs are at the both the end of the cylinder, and we have two conductors outside from the two discs. Got it? This is a very narrow equipment, बहुत छोटा ही होता है, and what we have here, we have three lines near to each other and one line at a distance of these three lines. Got it? This is the design of these are the color line. So this is for the coding line, and so this is known as color code. Why we do color line on it? Because the equipment or any design can make any mechanic, and it is not necessary that he can understood all the language, all the country language. If the register is designed in the China and import by our country, then it is not necessary all the person can understood the China. That's why this is necessary to coding on it. And what is the coding on it? We have three lines near to each other and one line at the separate distance. Means we have four lines or three lines. Means the fourth line may be or may not be. What is the meaning of these three lines? Listen. Suppose we have a resistance of 24,000 ohm. Suppose we have a resistance of 24,000 ohm. Then we can find with the help of coding. As we can write here 24 into 10 to the power 3. Got it? Now, first line indicate the first digit, second line indicate the second digit, and third line indicate the multiplier. How much multiplier it has, how much zero it has. Got it? And the fourth line indicate that how much tolerance it has. Suppose we have a resistor of 100 ohm, and when we add it behave like a 105 ohm or 95 ohm. It means it has the tolerance of plus minus 5. ये plus 5 हो सकता है या minus 5 हो सकता है. This is the tolerance percentage. It means fourth line indicate the resistance tolerance, how much it increase or it can decrease when connected in a circuit. Suppose we have a 100 ohm resistance and it behave like a 110 or 90 ohm. Then it has tolerance of 10 plus minus. If we have a resistance of 100 ohm and it behave maybe 120 ohm or may not be or maybe 80 ohm. Which resistance you will pick? You pick the resistance which have less tolerance. Means we will use the resistance when we need 100 ohm resistance, then we will pick out the resistance which behave 95 or 105 ohm. Got it? Then why we made the resistance of 20 plus minus? As on the working of making the resistance, when we filter the carbon, the process will long. As the process will long, the costing will increase, and the resistance tolerance will decrease. Means the resistance with tolerance plus minus 5 have low cost, and the resistance with with plus minus 20% tolerance have high cost comparison to low cost comparison to the 5 ohm. Got it? The 5 ohm resistance will be of high cost as it give the tolerance of only 5 plus or 5 minus. Got it? These are the meaning of these 4 lines. And now how can we find the first line is for which digit? This is the sequence to find out the number of the lines. We have black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. These are the lines for these 3 lines. And the 4th line may be gold, silver or no color, means no line. The 4th line only indicate the tolerance, and here for tolerance these 3 colors. These 3 means these 2 color or no color line. These 3 conditions can possible for 4th line. This is for 4th line. Got it? And rest 3 lines, starting 3 lines may be of these 3 colors, from these colors: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. Got it? Now, how can we find the which color gives us the what number? As we have first line black means 0. As we have first line red means 2 number. Suppose we have a 24 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. What give? First line 2. 2 means first line will be of red color. Next 4. 4 means yellow. Means second line will be of yellow color. Third multiplier is 3. Multiplier is 3 means orange color. Got it? And suppose it has tolerance of plus minus 5%. Then next line will be gold. Got it? We have 4 lines: first yellow, first red, second yellow, third orange, and 4th gold. It means here the indication is 24 into 10 to the power 3 ohm plus minus 5 tolerance. This is the resistance measurement. Got it? Now how can you remember these sequence? For remember these sequence, you should remember B.B. Roy. B.B. Roy. This is a name of Great Britain. Has very good wife. You remember this sequence, and here B.B. Roy, B for 1, B next B for 2, Roy for third number, orange 4, yellow 5, and here great for G. 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have, we have 10 digits, 0 to 9, and we have 10 colors. Black for 0, you should remember black for 0, B.B. Roy. इस तरह से आपको याद रखना है. Great Britain has very good wife. Got it? Now you can do any question, any resistance with the help of these sequence of resistors. Got it? Thank you.